is nice because
More power, don't point!
we started with less wind and then it increase. So you can try to practice in different conditions. Today is better that you are hiking outside, not so back.
Okay!
Also your body is more forward.
Like you said yesterday.
Yeah. The only thing that I can say is that sometimes you are still pointing too much instead of finding the maximum power, because
Close the sheet!
Yeah.
you can do that, I think. But you are a bit
Don't point! Shoulders down!
not lazy, but that you are more safe, trying to save your energy, isn't it?
I think it's part of an old habit that I'm still trying to get rid of.
Okay.
And the habit is, so I go up a wave and I get the power, and it's too much power. And I need to hike. Okay, so now I know how to hike. I hike.
Yeah.
It's still too much power. And then so I have this like, oh, maybe I should just go up a little bit. And like, instead of keeping the, versus just straight.
Yes.
And then control the trim. So you're in the sweet spot, and then, never heel too much, but never point too much.
Yes, that's the point. You understand on the theoretical things done. Now we have to practice more, but this is the
and it was
the secret to have the boat more stable. Try to see forward, to anticipate. Try to keep all the time the same healing, so you don't have to do like super hiking, then coming back, then and the boat start to do like this. If you have a boat that is fast with a good average, you go straight and then you steer just a little bit to maybe the power, following the sheet, of course.
So today was very noticeable because as the wind built up and the van was set differently, then I could tell that I needed to trim even less and steer even less, and I could feel that zone. In the lesser wind, sometimes maybe I'm just trying to power so much that I trim. I put myself into too much of a point.
My eyes are super sensible in this stage.
Now, how much? How open? How easy? Like how much not pointing we want to be? Like how much off the wind? Is that like a function of like? Okay, so it's a trade-off, right? The power and the point, the power and the point. But is it also something about the waves? Like the wave is bigger.
Of course, if you can surf like a big wave, you can go a bit lower because you are accelerating so much, but keep the point of upwind and then work with small angles. Okay,
so this week I started to understand your whole like just go straight, but there's more trimming. I guess in this here, like today was felt like there were wind and waves, and then many other days we had waves and not so much wind. And so like with the days that there was not so much wind, then I guess a lot more trimming was necessary to get over the wave.
Yes.
That's the main thing. So maybe it's not about the angle, but maybe there is something about the trimming over the wave.
No. In this side, just to try to escape from the waves, go faster than the waves, but without going so low. In the other side, you can maybe trim over and then needs to go down to pass the wave. But in this side, you don't have waves in front of you.
Oh yeah.
So maybe sometimes some wave is coming from your back. You can try to surf that wave, but nothing
Okay.
else. Okay.
All right. So then, okay. So maybe all the stuff that I was trying to figure
I
out.
can say that here you can try to go even faster, like a faster mode, no?
Yeah.
Because you don't have nothing in front of you. Just
block
go
me,
and
yeah. Okay. So then be more aware of like the wave pattern on either tack,
yes.
upwind, and how that should change it. You know.
Trim out all!
Yeah, you don't need in this side. You don't need a so powerful sail. So if you want to go for speed, trim a bit more throttle, so you can be like just a little bit the power, and you can go faster.
Yeah, and I had trimmed and I forgot to trim the outhole. I guess is what happened.
Telltales! Okay, finally.
Can you see that some waves are
Yeah,
pushing you?
so
So
it's the VMG with the help of the wave,
yes,
and that's
this piece is
influencing
good, no?
influencing the trimming.
Okay, nice! Shoulders down, don't go in! Trim when you have less power and ease before the puff.
We already told you that if you don't have so much power, you can trim more to repower the sail, and then when the puff is coming, you ease and you go for
Good, good, good. Don't point! Shoulders down!
slowing down.
You slow down before.
It was a mess. Something happened and I lost it.
Telltales!
Not so easy to drive and filming together today.
If what?
Not so easy to drive and filming together.
I was hoping that you would just film somehow.
No, it's just that cloud.
Nice cloud.
Trim, trim, trim! High! Go back! Okay!
If you feel too much power, instead of lapping, go more down.
Three more back!
Okay.
Preaching, you mean?
Yes,
Yes.
like
Yeah, yeah. And the even heavier. Yeah. What I noticed, I also had to use a little bit to be able to.
if you feel too much,
I wasn't fighting the whole thing.
yeah, you can keep the Cunningham trimmed also. if you feel too much power, and then don't ease the vang so much. The vang has to be trimmed, maybe not super tight, because if it goes in the water you capsize.
That was my main
but
concern
also not completely loose,
today. Right.
because you sailed one reach with no vang. These are the first hours.
Easter sheep!
Try to avoid this.
Yeah, loosen my foot in there.
Yes, because if you do this movement, your boat start to be very unstable. It's slowing down, and it's dangerous. If you can keep the speed,
Put a bit of centerboard down!
Yeah, it's just smoother. Yeah.
Streaming up! Ready to go back! Trim and go forward! Forward! Nice!
Stuffed it.
trim and go back. Yes, because you have to use the surfing and the angles that you are open and closing to avoid to hit
The next wave.
perpendicular the
Yeah.
wave, no? If you can stay in the top, on the top, and go like up, down on the top, it's perfect.
I am the reach! Pablo! This side! Yes! Prima!
Cosa? Non ci sono?
No. Come si dimentica di dire che è finita, vado a prenderne tre.
Sì.
Forward!
Vieni un attimo che ti faccio vedere una cosa. Yeah.
Oh, that's so good.
Round the reach and
Oh
go
my
down!
god.
Cosa devi farmi vedere?
Adesso ti faccio vedere.
È morto? Come d'aria?
No, we already showed this one, right? No.
Yes! Go downwind!
Aspetta, guarda la sua pupa.
Is a bit more bang now!
Mi è perso da là.
Dove vai? Aspetta un attimo. Era bello oggi,
Però ti rimane che bello. All week. What's that?
And the weather for this week.
Yeah.
Go forward!
Different, but good.
Trim and go up! Go back! Yes.
Just ask for a job.
Is the bank to jive? Is the bank to jive?
I never heard that. I never.
Eh?
Good routine.
Sì.
Is the shit? Is the shit? Is the shit?
Yeah,
Beat
if you
away!
is the bank before, you are not going so
If you want to
high, no?
jive,
Oh, I
is
see.
the
Because you have more control.
But still, I felt that that was a triumph. The jibing in those conditions from the video yesterday. Remember what I said? I have no leverage over the tiller, and like you said, also ease the sheet. And today, if you go back to the video,
This
at
one.
the end.
No, it's the other one, I think.
Oh,
is the
we
shit?
Oh, no.
Beat away! Jive!
jibe, yeah. So look at my body. Like yesterday, less wind, but like my body was going like to after the jibe, yeah. After the jibe, the body was like staying kind of forward. And what I realized is like to have leverage to go down, I need to go back.
Of course.
And it's just double benefit. One is I have leverage over the rudder, and the other one is my weight is in a better place.
Is the bank to jive?
So not perfect, but my body is
Is
somewhat
the
back.
shit?
Oh,
Is
Yes,
the
there it
yes,
shit?
is.
Is the
Yeah.
shit? Beat away! If you want to jive, is the
Use the van. I'm scared of using the van.
Go down, go down, go down! Go forward, forward! Okay! Go up!
Here you lost the wave. No, it's not this one. I have the one and the D.
I was so happy with my parents carrying up and
Sometimes
would
when
find
you
it-
are going up, you are not shooting
you know,
enough.
still.
Yeah,
Okay. Like here, I mean, it's too long. to
yeah, I
shoot
think
in.
so. Because with this wind and these waves,
Easy, go down!
when you trim to go up, you just
Right. With the
if you are
acceleration.
not starting fast, you are not trimming enough.
Forward, forward! Trim! Too much!
When you stop, try to immediately go. And sometimes you are afraid and your shit is too close.
Too close.
Yeah.
Trim, 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 trim!
So how did it stop here?
Forward, forward!
Oh, the wave just threw me back.
Yes.
And now?
Trim!
You can heal and go down immediately. Instead, you are trimming and going straight.
Petente!
So, double mess.
Okay, so more power to bear down.
Yes.
Trim, 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 trim! Go back! Nice! Ciao Pablo.
What is that?
You are serving so fast.
So what happened? I found the right wave
Yes.
to lean into. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, we're here at the same speed, and then
But what's a big one? It's not this one.
oh,
It's the next
I
one.
went too far back. Here. Okay. I put my shoulders back. Find the wave.
Ciao Pablo.
That's a nice wave.
Ai dai, ai dai.
Yeah, my swimming was still too slow. But at least I found a way of doing it.
That this wave will last a lot on your surfing.
Don't bite! This is shit and go low! 3 more outdoor!
I was sure to have. Maybe I didn't press the button. I was surviving
Yeah.
on the downwind,
That's right.
especially. I was surfing as well.
East more shit! East more shit!
Yeah. Such nice conditions. Does that count? Attack?
Not bad, not mistake. Okay for these conditions, so. Yeah.
Okay. Don't relax, don't relax.
Yeah, I was happy with attacking. I don't know what it looks like, but eventually I found a nice rhythm to attack.
Don't relax when you go to the other side, just push immediately.
Yeah, I still need to find out. Oh my god, this is just so crazy. It's so much fun. I'm so glad you caught it. Oh my god. That's nuts.
Wow.
Very nice.
Never ending.
No. Here we are.
You forgot to send me something?
Yes, I was missing 2 videos.
What?
I remember because I was like, oh, this down and this is so good. 2 minutes of video.
Oh. 89 and 19. Oh. Oh.
Press! Trin, 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 go back, go back, go back!
Sorry, I got distracted.
Trin, 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 trin,
Yeah,
trin,
my
go
trimming
back,
is
go
slow.
back, go
It
back.
didn't feel slow when I was doing it. Yeah, it's very slow still.
Good one.
Go forward, forward! Okay. Start to trim, go back and go up, go back. Go up, go up, go up.
Terrible. The up turns are still terrible. I guess I found the
Not
technique,
terrible,
but
but it can be better, no?
yeah.
You lost this way.
That's not good.
Black one.
If you trim, go up.
Yeah, this one.
Uh-huh.
If you heel and trim, go up. Don't go
Yeah.
straight because you are stopping. You are breaking the boot.
If you trim, go up.
Right. The router fighting the sail.
But also, if you trim and you go straight, how you do to stop the boat when you're downwind, trimming the sail? No? If you want to stop the boat while you're going downwind, what do you have to do?
Sure.
You
okay.
trim all the sail. So if you trim the sail, you are
Yeah, changing the
Start-
surface
yeah.
area. Right, I'm shrinking the sail. a bit.
Yes. Go forward. Start to trim. Okay. More trim. The sail is laughing.
un'altra.
I'm not sure.
I don't know if you can see your sail. It's laughing,
Yeah.
no?
Yeah, yeah.
the same than the other days. When you want to reload the boat, heels go down, but overheal the boat.
To go down.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, I think that like some of those head up. When I head up, I don't put enough power into it. I don't steer enough into it, and then
Forward!
I hesitate.
Yes.
And then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go down now.
Nice! Ease and go down. Good.
Mm.
Okay.
Very
Nice.
nice. Very nice. Okay. So
Big improvements.
takeaways. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you. To remember for the next days is to trim more when you head up. And usually when
Turning.
you start with up and trim, go back with a shoulder or with a weight because you hit down. On the downwind, try to understand when you have the waves in the front, you have one technique. When you have the waves
Upwind, yes.
yes,
Yeah.
upwind
Yeah.
to the side or to your back, use the fast mode, you
So
know.
yeah, different settings.
And
One to climb the waves, and the other one to go fast,
yeah, try to,
using the waves.
yes. And for reach, try to find a way to have a bit of bank trim, but don't fight too much with a boat and don't go too high with a sail laughing. The reach is you have pressure, go down.
Yes.
You don't have for a while pressure, you go up.
Yes.
And then you go down again. When you have so much power, you have to go down.
Yeah. So what? Yeah. Okay. Go on. Yeah. Yeah. Like what I was finding is like I was going so far down because there was so much wind. I was kind of unwilling to keep easing, just because then I had to trim it. But then eventually I eased and that made a difference. But so yeah, like I think the last 3 days you said the same thing about the reach. It's like work the reach.
For example, if
Yeah,
you are
up and
sailing
down.
in a windy conditions race, when you round the upwind mark and it's not wind, it's like a drop of wind. You start, you go high because when the
To
gust
get
is
something.
coming, you can go
down.
reach down. No. The opposite, if you have a path, you go down. Then when you have a drop, you go up.
Yes. Yeah, I'm starting to feel that. So okay, so work the reach.
Yeah.
A lot about turning up, downwind,
Yeah.
and then knowing the tacks on the upwind. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.